I'm Randy Henley, Director of Feed Mill Operations for Pro-Nutrition Feed, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. TFC has been manufacturing co-op branded feeds for over 64 years. The construction of the first feed mill was started in 1956 in Laverne. Construction was completed and the first ton of feed was produced in February of 1959. Soon to follow was the second feed mill built. The mill was built in East Tennessee in the city of Rockford. Production began in 1962. In 1966, the third feed mill began operation in West Tennessee in the city of Jackson. In the late 1960s, feed demand exceeded the three mills' production capabilities. So in the early 1970s, two more mills were built, one on the campus at Laverne in 1972, and the second at the Rockford site in 1975. In the mid-90s through the early 2000s, the two feed mills at Laverne and Rockford went through a full renovation, updating most of the mill equipment, including automation for most of the processes used in the production of animal feed. We continue to invest in our feed mills to keep on the leading edge of new technology and to help the efficiency in feed production. We have 64 years of feed production experience and look forward to providing the farmers in Tennessee and the surrounding states with their feed needs for many years to come. Thanks for joining us for this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.